Welcome to the world of no-code app building, where you can create powerful tools and products without writing a single line of code. With the right tools and tutorials, you can bring your ideas to life and automate processes with ease. Let's start with some of the top tools for building apps without coding. First, we have Bubble, a user-friendly platform that allows you to create custom web applications without any coding knowledge. Next, we have Adalo, another popular platform that enables you to build mobile apps without coding. We also have Webflow, a powerful tool for building custom websites and web applications. And finally, we have Glide, a platform that allows you to create custom mobile apps without coding. These tools are perfect for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and anyone looking to create a custom app without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Now, let's move on to some tutorials and resources to help you get started. The no-code community on YouTube has a wealth of tutorials and resources available, covering topics such as app building, automation, and more. You can also find plenty of tutorials and guides on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. And if you're looking for more advanced resources, you can check out the no-code subreddit, where experts share their knowledge and experiences. With the right tools and resources, you can create powerful apps, automations, and products without coding. So, let's get started and bring your ideas to life.